Hi, my name is Minnie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on something else besides my face, a different part of beauty, and that is the chest area. Every time I go on stage and perform and film a music video, the size of my chest kind of just like enhances, deflates, gets bigger. Each DVD is different because I always have certain costumes that kind of show this area, and sometimes I need to make it flat and sometimes I need to make it kind of big. And people always think that I got it done, and when I go on shows and tours, a lot of people come up to me and ask me if I got my chest done and where I got it done, which doctor, and why did I take it in and out, which is weird because right now, just to clear the record, I have never had these babies done. I mean, I don't mind like people doing it, and if you want to, then go for it. But for me, I just prefer not to, and also I'm kind of scared anyway. So I'm just gonna keep with these babies right here. They are double A's, and they always been. So I've never went under the knife for bigger boobs. But today we are going to focus on making them bigger and how I do it on my performance and my music videos and my shootings to make it extra voluptuous. All right, first off, you're going to need to get a badass push-up bra, which I have right here. And I'm going to change out of this double A. Give me a moment. My push-up bra is on, and the first thing I'm going to do is kind of like go underneath here and just kind of grab my girls in together just to like push it into the center area. And same thing with the other side, just to give that extra lift. This is basically squeezing them together to make it seem like your boobs are like big. And then tighten these babies right here like no other. So now I'm gonna tighten this. I need all the lift I can get. Tighten both sides, make sure they're like nice and like secure. This one needs a little bit more tightening. They're not the same size. It's okay. So there you have it. My boobs are nicely lifted, and now I'm going to contour them to make them even more bigger. Using my face contour from Burberry, I'm going to just kind of draw a line right here and another line right here, and basically just round off your girls. Then with a beauty blender, I'm going to just blend this area out and give it a nice shadow, because if you create a shadow, it's going to show that you have like a bigger rounded off boobie. And just kind of give it a gradient towards the center. There you go. And then same thing on the other side, just kind of blend out the contour. There we go, we have a little bit of a shadow there. You can create a little bit more cleavage in the center, give it a more depth in that area, and keep blending it out. Everything is blended nicely how I like it, and I'm going to use the bronzer, a powder bronzer, and kind of just go over the same area that I use for the contouring, the stick contour, right there. Give it more definition. So I'm kind of just like creating that gradient, that curve, and contouring it to make it look like it's bigger than it actually is. Just to create the illusion that there's a slight lift on my chest. Then kind of blend it up a little towards your chest area. You don't want to make it too obvious. I use the Morphe Y2 brush to contour this area right here with the powder contour. Now that my boobs are nicely contoured, I'm going to highlight this area right here just to give it some love, some sunshine there. On the other side as well. This is kind of bringing out the high points of the chest. Then I'm going to highlight the clavicle area right here, this bone, and this one right here, just to add the extra sexiness to the chest area. I use the Tapered highlighter Sigma brush in F35 to highlight this area right here. I'm gonna highlight a little bit in here. Give it some love. Just basically deck out your chest. Then with the Soft Blend Concealer Brush from Sigma number F64, I'm going to go in the center a little bit, give that cleavage, and round it off some more to define it some more. Same thing on the other side. This is the complete look of my chest. So now you guys know my secret. This is how I do it. I just basically contour this area. When I film a music video, when I'm on stage performing, every single video, it's always different. So this is the reason why. It's basically a boob job in like 5 minutes. Very easy, just slap on some contour, some highlights, and you're good to go. If you guys see me, don't ask me about the doctor that I went to because it's all makeup right here. Makeup, makeup, makeup. Very easy. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ooh, they look good. I'll just enjoy this moment because after I shower, it's gonna be completely gone. And I'll just have to go back to my double A's. I feel like I can just go apply for Victoria's Secret right now. I am wearing their bra. Approve?